Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. It has been 3 months since I decided to shave all my lovely hair off, and I thought, why not give you guys a little update on how my hair is doing and how am I doing mentally, if I've lost my mind already or not. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So yeah, obviously this isn't my own hair. Let me just like whip out my real hair. This wig is also so incredibly fake, but that's okay. Yeah, let me just... So yeah, this is my hair. As you can see, the color that I dyed my hair faded a lot, so that is definitely a good thing. But as you can also see, it didn't really grow that much. I used to have 6mm hair, so it was basically almost bald. A lot of people actually have been telling me that they think my hair grows really fast. But to be honest, to me it feels like it's growing so incredibly slow. But I'm just gonna measure it real fast to kind of like see, you know, how fast it's actually growing. Because of course for me it's gonna feel a lot more slow than it's gonna feel for you, because I have to look at it every single day. But let me just grab a ruler real fast. Also, I feel like I need to put the camera a little bit higher because you literally can't see my hair right now. And that's kind of what the video is about. So maybe this is better, I don't know. Also, I'm aware that over 50% of my hair is made of roots right now. But I kind of just still need to dye it. Gonna do it very soon, I promise. Okay, so my hair is here, and the ruler there, and then gonna do it. I don't know, like this. So my hair is around like 4.5 centimeters. So that means that it grew a little less than 4 centimeters in 3 months, which is average, maybe a little bit above average, but honestly not that much. Like I said, so many people have been telling me, Lindy, oh my god, what do you do to let your hair grow so fast? And how is it possible that your hair grows so fast? My hair really doesn't grow that fast. It grows just like average speed, but I think it's just, it looks fast to you guys because you don't see it every single day. But honestly, I feel like this is just like regular hair growth. I don't do anything about it because I feel like there just isn't a lot you can do about growing your hair, you know? It's just in your genes. Like some person's hair grows really fast and the other person's hair doesn't grow fast at all. So yeah, that's how much my hair grew. And if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I don't like my hair at all. I am not happy with it. Like this hair, no, I don't like it. Not at all. No. But I do not regret shaving it either. I personally don't really believe in regret, especially when it's about things you can't change anymore. So, you know, like, I can't undo me shaving my hair, so why would I regret it, you know? And also, I was thinking about shaving my head for so long that I'm honestly just really glad that I did it. I might not like the end result, but at least I tried it, you know? And it's just hair, it's gonna grow back eventually. So also it's not that deep, and I'm just happy that I tried something different in my life. But I'm just not happy with how my hair is looking right now. But I do know that a lot of you guys actually really like my hair, so thank you so much. I do get a lot of compliments about my hair. A lot of you have actually also said that you prefer my shorter hair over my longer hair, which is really funny to me because in no way in my life do I prefer my shorter hair over my longer hair. I feel like the main reason why I don't like my hair to be this length, it's not because I don't think it doesn't suit me. Honestly, I thought it was gonna look a lot worse than it actually does. I don't look like completely ridiculous, only a little bit ridiculous. But it's just that my hair is so incredibly thick that it is almost impossible to do anything fun with it. Before I shaved all my hair off, I looked up hairstyles for like super short hair. And the hairstyle that I really loved are those finger waves. You know, those teeny tiny finger waves all over your head. I think that looks so incredibly cute. And after I shaved it off, I was so excited because I thought only like 1 or 2 months before I can actually get that hairstyle myself. It's gonna be so cool. I was really looking forward to it. But my hair is so thick that I can't do it with my hair. So the hairstyle that I really wanted to have, that I've been looking forward to for months, is something that I can't do. So that kind of makes me hate my short hair even more. Or maybe that's like the only reason why I hate it. I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna quickly put my wig back on, because that's way better in my opinion. Even though I'm not really happy with the length that my hair is right now, I do kind of love the fact that I have short hair, or like a different hairstyle than I used to have, because I experiment with hairstyles so much more than I used to do, and I honestly kind of forgot how fun it was to change up your hair. I mean, of course I always dyed it and stuff, but not like hairstyles. I would just like wake up in the morning, straighten it, and then be done with it. But right now I try out so many different hairstyles and like hair accessories, and I've started to experiment with wigs, as you can see, and it has been so fun. Like, I really like the experimental stuff that I'm doing right now, and I'm definitely planning on like investing in some like really good human hair wigs. I only have one human hair wig right now. This one is synthetic, but if I would just like take this off, you know, it's I don't know, you can see like the tracks and stuff, so yeah, that doesn't look very good. So it will be cool to have a few wigs that I can like wear without having to put a head on or anything. So I'm definitely going to invest in that. I think that's pretty cool, and I like to change that up. So that's definitely a plus side of having hair that you don't really like, because you're going to do so much more stuff to make it work. You know, you're gonna experiment so much more. So yeah, that is how I feel about, you know, like shaving all my hair off. I don't regret it. I don't think I will ever regret it, even if it gets like at this even more awkward phase, you know, where the hair just comes to here. I don't think I will ever regret it, because honestly, it was a really fun experience. It still is kind of a really fun experience. So, you know, if you're thinking about shaving your hair off, just do it. I get so many like comments and DMs and whatever of people saying, I really want to shave my hair off, but I'm too scared. Like, what made you eventually do it? Because I really want to, and then they kind of like want me to help them make the decision. But honestly, the only thing that I can say is just do it. Just do it. If you want to do something, just do it. I mean, yeah, you might end up not liking it, but you know, it's hair, it's gonna grow back, and at least you tried something new. You know, I personally think it's worse to regret something that you haven't done than to regret something that you did do. Because at least you tried it, and if you didn't like it, you can just never do it again, you know? Easy as that. For like maintenance and like products I use and everything, I don't use a lot of products. I just basically use the same things as I used before, which isn't a lot. I just wash my hair, use conditioner, I use coconut oil, not every single day. I would say like I use coconut oil I think like 3 times a week or something, just to kind of like get some life into my hair. And yeah, as you all know, I just kept on bleaching and dyeing my hair. That never changed, and that probably is never gonna change, because I just love it way too much. And like I've already said like 10,000 times already, is I did not shave my hair off because it was too damaged. That was not the reason behind it, alright? I get every single day I get comments of people saying me, why are you bleaching your hair if you wanted to let it grow back healthy? And I'm like, I don't care. I just don't care, okay? I never did care. I don't care. So yeah, I will just forever keep on bleaching it. Actually, I think I'm gonna bleach it next week, because I want these roots to be gone and I want this color to be out of my hair, because I want to have blonde hair again, maybe. Or a different color, I'm not sure yet. So yeah guys, this was my 3-month hair growth update after shaving off all my hair. I hope it was interesting. I'm not sure, but you know, we'll see. Also, I have been making a picture of my hair almost every single day. Not every day, because I forget it a lot of the times, but definitely every week, like 3 or 4 times a week, you know. So when it's 1 year after I shaved all my hair off, I'm just gonna make one of those like time-lapse videos of my hair like growing out of my scalp. So I'm actually really looking forward to that, but that's just gonna take another 9 months, so kinda have to wait for that to happen. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video.